a very, very inspiring episode of Starlight with Payal Verma. And this is your very own Dr. Payal Verma. We have a very, very special guest, I must tell you, who is going to be a loud inspiration for many of you, including me. She is going to be a source of inspiration for all of us. And we have with us a very, very special person with over 24 years of expertise in her line, Dr. Anju Saini. Welcome to Starlight with Payal Verma, which is, of course, it's co-powered by Amber, a charitable trust which believes in spreading wellness in the community, and that's how we are on board. So, with a very open heart, I welcome you to my show. So, this is a very special podcast, where we try to bring real people and true inspiration with their real stories. So today we are very happy to have you on board, Dr. Saini.
Thank you, Payal. It's my pleasure too.
Yes, so it's mutual. Yes, so yes, let's begin this journey of discovering a new inspiration with her true life story, and let's see where this podcast ये हमें कहाँ lead करके ले जाता है. So as I welcome you, Doctor, आप मुझे बताइए that I'll give a very short brief. आप बहुत कुछ करते हैं. So मैं एक छोटा सा brief अपने audience को, हमारे viewers को देना चाहूंगी आपके बारे में, and then I'll come directly to you. So Dr. Saini, Anju Saini, she is an international trainer, a clinical hypnotherapist, holistic wellness coach, and she has her expertise in clinical hypnotherapy, regression therapy, emotional intelligence, stress management. She is a Reiki grandmaster, family guidance, and leadership development. Wow, that's huge, humongous. So I guess जितनी भी fields मैंने अभी तक आपको बताई हैं, and there's much more to her. She's also into family constellations, and ये जितनी भी fields हैं, these are all energy healing modalities. Am I right, Dr. Saini? So ये इतना कुछ करती हैं, so आप imagine करो आज कितना interesting podcast होने वाला है. So, and of course everyone knows that I am a professional pranic healer. So with that, I think we are two healers on board today. So it's going to be a very
So
interesting,
journey is going to be
very healing. So बने रहिए, and as we start, आप थोड़ा सा बताइए कि इतनी सारी healing modalities. I mean, आप कैसे? I mean, how did you actually? कौन सा रूट आपको इस डायरेक्शन में ले आया? एंड 24 years of expertise, it's not a joke. So कैसे आपने, I'm sure आपने एक young age में ये शुरू किया होगा, and yes, she's also a tarot, she's a tarot card reader, and she's a trainer in that. So I know a few people who have taken training in tarot from her. So amazing, no? So ये आपकी journey into alternative therapy कैसे, कहाँ, कब शुरू हुई?
See, I was born like a very normal human, as everyone are born with. But कब ये alternative healing ने कब मेरी life को alter करते गए, पता नहीं चला. But everyone goes through something or other in the life, and which becomes the milestone of their life. So
I agree. मतलब
so,
जो भी मैंने usually देखा है, yes, of course, the viewers, I can actually relate to you. May I tell you a small part of mine, and then
surely I would
so
love
I've never actually my followers and fans and your followers, they'll get to know कि ये हुआ कहाँ से. मेरा भी कुछ प्राणिक healing में I did a lot of spiritual shopping बोलते हैं कि what is spiritual shopping, like हम बहुत सारे modalities को देखते हैं. I have been practicing spirituality, meditation since the age of 14, even younger than that. I wasn't even completely 14. So I did a lot of things, but I thought कि ये नहीं है. I mean, I was not getting the inner calling. And then pranic healing happened to me when I was absolutely at the bottom. I rose from the ashes. I had developed, physical ailments. I'm sharing this with you also and all the viewers. I have not actually ever told this on camera, and I am telling this to you today. मेरी जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुई? मुझे बोला गया था. I remember those lines by a medical doctor, expert, urologist. He told me, डॉक्टर्स टोल्ड मी वी कांट हील यू,
Oh.
हम आपको ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते हैं बिकॉज हमें पता नहीं आपको हुआ क्या है,
Oh.
एंड यू आर अ मिस्ट्री केस. आप सोच सकते हो एज अ पेशेंट मेरे माइंड पे उसका क्या, मैं पूरी टूट गई थी डॉक्टर.
True, true.
एंड देन आई got pranic healing into my life,
Yeah.
and from where to where I am
Mhm.
is everything. It's my guru,
Yeah.
it's pranic healing, and of course I cannot put myself behind. Lot of hard work. I was diligent, and I practiced what my guru had taught me, and I'm here today and we're sitting together.
Yeah.
So you're right. एक रॉक बॉटम हम हिट करते हैं, जिसके बाद आपकी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी शुरू
Yeah.
होती है, and you come to light.
Yeah.
So coming to you,
So
doctor,
otherwise
so आपकी
also
क्या
they
story
say
है?
कि those ever who heal us, या हमारे mentors भी हैं या gurus हैं, even they have gone through such ups and downs of their life, and one incident of life just turns the pages of the book.
Correct,
So
correct.
that is, so with me also it happened like this only. I was very young girl from Punjab, married early at the age of 19 and 20, and I had my
Oh.
miscarriage at that time.
Okay.
And after that I couldn't conceive for almost 10-11 years. So
Okay.
that 11 years were full of you can say emotional trauma, setbacks. Some incidents left an impact on my life. I never knew that that impacts can be so huge.
Okay.
So that was there, but by God grace, I had two young daughters. I'm really proud of them, and they are my lifelines now.
I
Yeah,
can understand.
yeah. So what happened was, when my younger daughter was born, she was born with the bronchitis issue,
Oh.
and at the age of 2.5 years, she got staphylococcal pneumonia, which is the cavity of the lungs.
Okay.
And the two cavities happened, and they were coming closer and closer. And the moment if they would have come closer and blast, then it was the end.
It's a very, it can
Yeah,
be fatal,
yeah,
no?
yeah,
It's
yeah.
very life risk hai.
Yeah, so she was hospitalized for almost 1 month in ICU at that moment. And one of my friend, Renu Puri, who was a Reiki teacher also. So she taught me Reiki at that time, when she was born. Only through that time only I was
Okay, you were
giving
learning.
her Reiki.
Okay.
And the one fine day in the hospital also, at midnight at 2:30, when doctor called me, Mrs. Saini, anything can happen anytime. You can call your family.
Oh my
So,
God. Okay.
So that was
2.5 साल की थी आपकी बेटी. The
yes,
child was only 2.5.
2.5, और रात के 2:30 थे.
My God.
So I don't know
एक
from where I got that
mother के
courage.
लिए ये चीज
Yeah.
सुनना ही, मतलब मेरे को लगता है पैरों से जमीन निकल जाना.
True, true. But I tell you,
And then
maybe
what
I
happened?
started
I mean, yeah.
Reiki before that only. So maybe that was the reason, that I don't know, somehow energetically I got so strong. And I just told the doctor at that time, otherwise any mother would have started crying or
Panic.
what.
Yeah.
So I just told the doctor, from 1 month she is in hospital, she is your daughter now. She is not my daughter. You know what to do the best. And will you believe, within 1 hour there was one senior doctor. He said, we will do whatever the best we can, but what has to happen has to happen.
Correct.
So 1.5 hour that operation was conducted, and I was constantly giving Reiki, all the symbols, to all the doctors, to my daughter, to the operation room.
Wow.
And
So
after 2 hours, like doctor came in and said,
okay,
congratulations, that
it's
she's
successful.
successful.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean,
So
I think this is huge.
yeah.
So I mean, this is
So my
is
trust
true
on this
inspiration for
energy,
the viewers.
Yeah.
आप live example हैं.
Yeah.
You're a live example that you know how energy healing can, you know, change lives.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm so proud of you that being a mother, you took that stand and panic nahi kiya. You know, I always tell this, Dr. Saini, I tell all my, you know, patients, wherever I go for a
हाँ,
I'm feeling so nice talking to you.
yeah.
Whenever I go for a conference, whenever addressing
Hmm.
n number of people we address, right, when we are on the
Yeah,
stage.
yeah, sure.
So I always tell each one,
Yeah,
don't panic, do pranic.
yeah,
I've done this quote for myself. Don't panic, do pranic. And
हाँ,
they all smile. They have an
yeah,
instant smile.
true, true,
Actually,
true.
if you're connected, miracle
Hmm.
हुआ आपकी लाइफ में.
Yeah,
और मेरे लाइफ में रोज miracles होते हैं.
yeah,
And
yeah,
I know that this is true. They are not miracles. It's
Hmm.
just that you're aligning yourself
yeah,
with the divine.
yeah.
आप
So all the
frequency alignment कर रहे हो.
yeah,
और faith.
yeah.
कहते हैं
And
ना,
all
मानो
the
तो
modalities you have named, they all had been lived by me first,
oh
and
yes,
then
and then you
presented to the
to the public, you
yeah,
could
yeah.
say, or
So
to your patients.
yeah, yeah,
So you've
yeah,
experienced everything.
yeah.
So that,
And tarot also, as you said at
and
times,
your
because
daughter's fine now. I mean,
she is perfectly fine, and she is a pastry baker. She works in
wow,
ITC Royal Bengal,
wow,
and
fantastic.
now working in Siena. Now she is just learning more other things. So she is very much normal, and she is my biggest strength now.
Ah, lovely. That's so
And the elder
nice.
one also, she is into tuitions, and she is also following my path. She is also very sensitive to energies,
Energy
and intuition level is
very
very
high.
strong. And
So is she also into healing?
she is not into healing, but वो कहते हैं ना, हर हीलर के लिए भी एक मेंटर होना चाहिए,
सही
है
है,
ना.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
So my elder daughter, God has sent me as my mentor. So wherever I get confused, wherever I am not able to take decisions, she is my right master to be there.
Really? Oh my God, that's so lovely.
Yeah.
And could you convince your husband also into coming into healing?
Yeah,
Or does he believe? Is he a believer?
See, I won't say that he is a non-believer, but he is not a believer. But he has never ever pointed on what I am doing or asked me what I am doing. But he has always appreciated, and he had been my moral support. आज मुझे यहाँ जाना है, ये सीखना था, वो करना था, तो he was always there to pick me and drop me and pay my for everything. And I tell you that he had been the biggest strength of mine, because कहते हैं ना कि family is the biggest supporter for whatever you do. If he hadn't been there, I wouldn't have been what I am today.
Wow. So
Yeah.
we'll take an applaud and
Yeah,
applause
thank
for
you.
her husband,
And
because that my question actually.
that means I'm hugging, because he had never experienced that before in his life, and I'm sure his career life will also move ahead.
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
we realize that हम जब inner work करते हैं तो it's like वो समुद्र मंथन हुआ था ना,
Yeah,
कि
true,
विष भी
true.
निकला और
Yeah.
अमृत भी निकला.
हाँ.
तो all of us should understand, from what doctor is sharing with us, is that please do the inner work. बहुत जरूरी है. जो बाहर
Yeah.
दिखता है वो अंदर, जो दिखता है वो हमेशा सही नहीं होता है.
Yeah,
अपने
yeah.
अंदर खोजो.
Yeah.
And see where you are. And please I will request, even I want you to address our viewers and audience, that don't think that if you're going to a psychotherapist, or if you're going to a psychiatrist, or you're going to an energy healer with a mental issue, कि आपको कोई अंदरूनी
Yeah.
emotional problem है तो आप पागल हैं. नहीं.
True,
You
true.
are perfectly fine. आप फेल अगर हो रहे हैं बार बार, तो please don't get disheartened. People, doctors like us are here to help you.
Yeah.
You are absolutely normal. You just need a treatment for a particular thing, and the problem can be resolved.
And also that everything which happens in a life, और जो भी हम लोग अपने thoughts mind में एकदम रख लेते हैं, they are just in a body. They take place in a body. Recently अभी मैंने एक seminar किया था about the venom ulcer. I'm also connected with the doctors, where before surgery we work with the mental health of the patient, and also after the surgery
Wow.
we work on the mental health of the patients.
So can you tell us, I mean, आप कहाँ where are you attached, जहाँ पे mental health पे काम होता है before and
See,
after
I am
operation?
having my own center also with the name of Alternative Healing Center, and also I am connected with the Art and Diagnostic Clinic, where all the doctors sit. Otherwise also, this body is made of energy only. जो डॉक्टर्स हैं, मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स, दे वर्क ऑन अ ग्रॉस बॉडी, and we healers, like, we work on the subtle body.
subtle body that
Yeah.
we call it
So,
naturally we call it aura, या आप
yeah.
उसको हिंदी में हम उसको
हाँ,
बोलते हैं सूक्ष्म शरीर,
सही
तो हमारी एनर्जी बॉडी, ये सब टर्म्स एक ही चीज के लिए हैं.
yeah. So कोई भी थॉट हमारी बॉडी तक आने में 6 महीने लगता है,
करेक्ट.
लेता है. अगर if you start saying I am burdened with this responsibilities, I am burdened with this responsibilities, so I'll just ask you where this burden is taken normally.
करेक्ट.
On your shoulders.
You'll have shoulders.
So अगर आपके shoulders में कोई issue है,
you're taking
right,
burden.
left, I don't want to disclose all the
right,
this,
right.
but check कौन सा ऐसी responsibility है which you are not willing to take but is an imposed on you.
Yes.
So
in
work
fact,
on that.
doctor, you're absolutely right. Like you
Hmm.
must know, this is a session जहाँ आपको बहुत educate हम कर पा रहे हैं on how
Yeah.
mental health is important, why it is important, because your mind and body, mind, body, soul are all connected.
Yeah.
आप जैसा emotions होगा वैसे ही body react करेगा, वैसे ही आप hormones secrete करेंगे.
Yes, yes.
Either there will be hormones which will make you feel very unhappy, or you'll have happy hormones.
Yeah.
So please बार बार रिव्यू करके आज का इंटरव्यू जरूर पॉडकास्ट देखिएगा, बिकॉज यू विल रियलाइज हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट मेंटल वेलनेस. दैट इज व्हाई आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, आवर पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी जी, वो भी ही इज आल्सो सेइंग दैट मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम कीजिए. ही इज आल्सो इनटू मेडिटेशन. इन फैक्ट डॉक्टर, आई थिंक you will agree to this, most of the people who are extremely successful all over the world, I'm talking, it's global, they're all into some form or the other of meditation, and inner healing, energy work. And so they're super successful in life.
Super successful. And those
That's the
who
Guru
are
mantra.
And those who are not able to do, just check first thing, make your routine of the day and see how much time you are working on the screen, because your screen timing mostly taking the working time of your brain also. The less you use the brain, the more complications you will have. Because when you are not able to do anything, you think on that and your body keep the scores of it. As I was telling you about the venom ulcer, ulcer mein kya hota hai, you have the wounds on the feet, and what are the feet for? To move ahead in life, आगे बढ़ने में काम करते हैं, and mobility, and wound over there means some emotion is stuck there. And when I talk to the clients, there were mostly many things which they have not expressed in their life, so जिसकी वजह से they were not able to move ahead in life. They are still stuck there. आप बहुत सारी लेडीज को ऐसे देखोगे कि उनको हम बोलते, इवन हमारी फैमिली में भी अराउंड यू विल सी, हम कई बार बोलते, अरे जीजी आपको पता है वो गलत है, फिर आप बोलते क्यों नहीं? अरे ना बाबा, मैं तो नहीं बोलूंगी, फिर बोलने से मेरे ऊपर ही पड़ जाएगा, मेरा ही जीना हराम. इट मीन्स she is keeping all that, storing emotions in her body, and she is being stuck there. Correct. So absolutely. This stuckness body में कहीं ना कहीं तो एक दिन निकलेगा. Right. Basically, most, I must tell you that as energy doctors, we are sharing this thing with you. This is an insight. Most of जो physical problems आज हैं, किसी को भी XYZ, याद रखिए वो physical problems 70 to 80% are psychosomatic in nature. मतलब what is psychosomatic? मतलब वो आपके mind और emotions से create होती है. So आप जैसे उसको अपने जीवन में लाए हो, remember आप उसको हटा भी सकते हो. Things like diabetes, blood pressure, things which are so common, right? So even these cancer, they are having their root cause in your emotional body. So आप please काम कीजिए उस पे, and you will see your life will change. I won't mind sharing one incident of my life, how I came into regression therapy. Yes, please do. The thing was when regression means past life regression, hypnotherapy, past life regression is a part of hypnotherapy. Can you just differentiate between what is, थोड़ा सा अगर आप viewers को आपकी जो modalities हैं, अगर आप छोटा-छोटा brief दे दे कि tarot क्या है, आपका meditation everyone knows, what is hypnotherapy, what is past life regression,
थोड़ा सा अगर आप व्यूअर्स को बता दें
yeah.
तो it will be very
So
helpful.
the thing is, tarot cards. Tarot cards. I will show you. I am having with me also. These are 78 cards. और हर कार्ड पे एक पिक्चर रहता है, and these pictures are very much connected to your life. So you can ask any questions from these cards, and they can guide you. Don't take it as a predictive tool. Most of the people take it as a predictive tool. This is
Right.
not a predictive tool. This is a guideline tool. Just ask, I am not able to achieve, how can I achieve, rather than when will I achieve, and that.
Okay.
So the better ask 5 W's and 1 H question. That is much better. And matlab why, when,
Yes, yes, I
where,
know that,
and
but you can
yes,
tell the viewers,
yeah,
they won't know
yeah.
it.
So uh, uh, every good reader, when you ask the question, they will only guide you how to ask the questions.
Correct.
A good reader will not ask the question जो आपने बोला है, and he or she will take out the cards and reply. They will frame the question accordingly.
Correct.
Which cards can give you the guideline. Then Reiki is very intuitive. It works on the intuition, as you know.
Yes,
Pranic,
of
it
course.
works on subtle bodies,
Right.
or body parts, because कहते हैं कि आप जो 6 महीने तक सोचते हो वो फिर बाद में आपकी बॉडी में आना शुरू हो जाता
हाँ,
है.
फिजिकलाइज हो जाता है.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah.
word, that's the technical term.
Yes.
कि वो फिजिकलाइज हो जाता है,
हाँ.
फिजिकल सिम्टम्स दिखेंगे.
Yeah. So it's better you work on your thought process. इसीलिए पहले लोग बोलते थे words have power. So what words you are feeding in your mind will be projected on your body.
Exactly.
So mind your words.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Right. And
that is then
what is
hypnotherapy is where we go if any person is going through any issue, but consciously they are not able to come to know from where it is happening, why it is happening, and why it is triggering. So in hypnotherapy we take the person to a trance, and most of the people have a myth that hypnotherapy is like we will take them to the trance और पता नहीं उसके हम अंदर से
हाँ,
क्या
right.
निकाल लेंगे,
Correct.
कौन सा सीक्रेट छुपा है,
हाँ,
that we
right.
will take it out, and but no, it is not like that. Hypnotherapy में the trance is very much partial. 80% you are into your control, and 20% you are in the therapist control, so that therapist can guide you what you are seeing, how you are seeing, what the next step you have to take to reach to the core issue of yours. So it is basically like a जैसे गूगल की मैप लेडी बोलती है ना, टर्न
right,
and go after 2 kilometers right.
हाँ, right.
So therapist का काम सिर्फ वही होता है.
बिल्कुल, हाँ, guide
Therapist
करना.
don't recommend or guide anything. Client himself or herself only see, view, and feel, and go
heal.
to and heal in that situation. For the
Correct.
they have come. We therapists are only just the navigators in their mind.
So hypnotherapy जो है, like मैं ये question पूछूंगी because many people feel, because
Yeah.
as a healer I have come across these questions कि क्या hypnotherapy safe है? Because
No, it is
बोलते हैं कि
very
अगर
much
आप
safe.
वहाँ अटक
Yeah.
गए, I have had patients who said,
Okay.
मैम हम मेरा उसके बाद मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा, I felt मैं stuck up हो गई, because then I do the psychotherapy on them.
Okay.
So they come to me because they're stuck. उन्होंने एक रिग्रेशन का सेशन लिया या फिर उन्होंने हिप्नोथेरेपी का सेशन लिया. देखिए होता क्या है ना कि जरूरी नहीं है कि सबको फैमिली सपोर्ट मिले, बिकॉज कमिंग टू मोडालिटीज लाइक एनर्जी हीलिंग आज की डेट में पॉपुलराइज हो रहा है. हमारे जो पीएम है, जो नरेंद्र मोदी जी भी यू नो ही इज स्ट्रेसिंग कि मेंटल हेल्थ कितनी जरूरी है. आज मैं कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर हूँ, यू आर अ कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर, सो पीपल हैव नाउ स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. 20 साल पहले ये अवेयरनेस नहीं थी. तो मैं यही जानना चाहती थी कि क्या आपकी क्या जो एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली है, क्या वो सपोर्टिव थे? लाइक आई हैव हैड अप्स एंड डाउन्स. मेरे लिए ये जर्नी टू बी अ हीलर, मुझे बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े, एंड आई से इट ऑन कैमरा वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली. So
same here. Same here.
Did you face
so these
issues?
3 people, apart from these 3 people, बाकी लोगों को prove करना पड़ता है what we are doing.
हाँ.
But these are, they have seen my journey, my mental health, my emotions, how they had been working in each and every situation, and how I have gathered myself. So they are big support. Rest तो they do appreciate when we get awards, when we are on the stage. Then we know her, but never to stand alone that we are there. You go ahead. It's irony, but I tell you, they are also the supporters, because
Yes,
at times,
yes, absolutely.
because the most people hurt you, whoever it is, extended family or your relatives or your surroundings, the more you get boosted to prove them wrong.
Correct.
सो उस प्रूव करने के रॉन्ग में आपको पता ही नहीं चलता आप कब किधर से कहाँ उठ गए.
उठ जाते
सो
हो.
माय स्पेशल थैंक्स टू ईच एंड एवरीवन हु केम इनटू माय लाइफ एज माय वेल विशर, एज माय सबॉर्डिनेट. आपने जो कुछ भी मेरे लिए बोला है, भगवान आपको उसका 10 गुना वापस दे.
Very nice. You know, like Master, as in our guru, Master Cho Kok Sui is he's the founder of Pranic Healing. And you've done Pranic Healing,
Yes,
right?
I have
Level
done
1
that.
and level 2.
Yes.
So you know Master Choa is our teacher.
Yes, yeah.
So you know, he also says that इस दुनिया में आपको लग रहा है कि फलाना बंदा आपके लिए, he calls them, we call them spiritual blocks. They're spiritual blocks. So कोई ना कोई होगा जो आपको appreciate नहीं करेगा, और maybe support नहीं करेंगे, maybe hindrances create करेंगे. So he says they are sent for a reason.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
actually you should first say thank you to them.
Yeah.
Because अगर आप inner world में या
हाँ.
spiritual world में
Yeah.
देखोगे, probably they have a soul contract with you, and in the spirit world they are your best friends.
Yes, yes.
And they have taken birth.
They have taken
be
oath
your-
over there that I will come and
He
help
says,
you in that
yes,
way.
they are spiritual dumbbells. We call them spiritual dumbbells. जैसे वो
Yeah.
gym में होता है ना.
Yes.
So
yeah.
these spiritual dumbbells, they say, we will support you in the journey.
Yeah.
आप आगे बढ़ो, हम इतने road blocks देंगे कि आप successful होके ही रहोगे.
Yeah, true,
So I
true.
always thank people
True,
who, you know, who actually not wanted me to grow, because I feel they were the ones who actually made me grow.
Yeah, true.
So
True.
thank you to each and every person.
Yeah, yeah.
Isn't it? It's such a
Yeah,
beautiful
yeah,
journey, no?
yeah, true,
So
true.
अच्छा, coming to this, doctor, आप इतनी सारी modalities आप practice करते हो. So as a doctor, किस तरह के पेशेंट्स मैक्सिमम आपके पास आते हैं? आधे हिप्नोथेरेपी, और आधे पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन, और आधे कॉन्स्टलेशन, या फिर टैरो के लिए आते हैं? Can you throw light on that? You're into like so much, no? So I want to
see. Actually, what happens at times, clients come with the thought in their mind that we want this modality only.
okay.
So उस time पे we don't use our brains. We just give them what they want to. But but after listening them, if I feel like that they need some other modality help also along with that, then I do suggest. And mostly the people listen also.
Okay.
Because it depends how we make them brief about what has happened, how it has happened, and what doing this modality, how it is going to help them out.
Okay.
So अगर कोई कई बार ऐसे भी clients होते हैं that I am going through a very rough phase of my life and I am helpless, I don't know what to do. So after listening their story, we just see whether they need counseling only, or whether they need hypnotherapy, or whether they have to go through deep regression sessions.
Okay.
So seeing the situation of the client only, I recommend. So
That's
that is
good.
the reason only first session
It's
with
like
the
a consultation.
client, it's only consultation.
Yes, that's how even my first thing is always a
Yeah.
consultation to
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
Because let me tell the viewers, I think you'll agree, Dr. Saini, with this, that आप ये मत सोचिए कि एनर्जी हीलिंग मोडालिटीज में हमें डायग्नोसिस नहीं करना पड़ता है. We are just like any other doctor. We are energy doctors. Am I right?
True,
So जैसे आप एक मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर के पास जाते हैं, सर्जन के पास जाते हैं, और वो आपके डायग्नोस करते हैं कि आपका रूट कॉज क्या है, आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है, उसके बेसिस पे आपका ट्रीटमेंट चालू होता है, शुरू होता है. In the same way, doctors like us, we are energy healers, we are light workers, we are energy doctors. We also have to have a counseling session.
Yes.
We understand, we read the person, we diagnose the problem, we go to the root cause, and then we start our healing process.
Yes.
Then we start our treatments.
Yes.
Are you having the same approach?
Yeah, same only. So at times we have to
We
work
need to
on the
diagnose,
belief.
right?
Diagnose only, and during this diagnose we also check the belief systems of the client.
Correct.
Because belief systems भी कई बार क्या होता है, for example अभी recently एक client थे कि I have tried so many options in my career, but I am not seeing any growth in that. So that person came for tarot reading. When will
Correct.
I get tarot
Correct.
guidance? But when I talked to him, I told him, if you don't mind, because I will be getting money anyhow, whether you do this or that. But I will be more happier if you get the result out of it.
Correct.
So I will just prefer you to ask you some questions. So
Correct.
then I asked him certain question, and he agreed to the session. And when session happened, will you believe,
What session was this?
it was a hypnotherapy session. We went, we regressed her. It was inner child work. You can say that.
Okay.
So what happened in that was that he was a 4 years old child, and he was helping her sister for eating chocolates which were kept in lock from the
Lock and
children.
key, हाँ.
But children, being the children, they
हाँ,
got
but
an opportunity and they started eating. And father came and saw it because he meant it for something else, maybe. So he gave him rapchik 2-3.
Oh my God. Okay.
And that moment, the child starting create that anger for the child, for the father.
For the father.
For the father.
Oh.
And then again, next incident happened. He happened to go to some trip from the school. Then father said, no, you cannot go, you are younger. Because father was being securitative in his own terms.
हाँ.
But you never know what the child
Child
perceives.
पे क्या बीतती है, सही
हाँ.
है.
And again he saw one of the movie, and movie mein he saw the father is going very roughly with the child.
हाँ.
So what happened,
धीरे-धीरे
the child has that belief system,
mind
my
condition
father
होता गया.
don't love me.
हाँ.
बिकॉज क्या होता है, हमारी लाइफ में कोई भी चीजें अगर 2-3 बार हो जाए तो वो हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम बन जाती है. फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन इट हैपेंस, इट इज एन इंफॉर्मेशन. सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन इट हैपेंस, इट बिकम्स अ कंफर्मेशन इन आवर माइंड. एंड थर्ड टाइम इट बिकम्स कंडीशनिंग हो जाते हैं. तो ही वॉज कंडीशन. एंड एज यू नो, अगर हम लोगों को अपने फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशंस को देखना है तो वी हैव टू चेक अवर रिलेशन विद आवर फादर, बिकॉज फादर इज द प्रोवाइडर. एंड what you are earning for, you are earning it to provide to your family. So whenever you are going through such issues in your life, first of all check your relation with your father.
Okay.
And we did the healing there, and it helped. And later on, and that was the first day he called me up, he messaged me that, ma'am, it is the first day in my life that I have hugged my father.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So